In this video, we are going to place some fractions on a number line. So I've drawn up a couple of number lines there and chosen some fractions that we're going to try and place on the number line. So on this first one, we've just got a number line with a 0 and a 1. Arrows on the end of the number line always indicate that the number lines go on forever in both directions. So 1/5. 1/5 is one part of 5 total parts. So I've gone ahead and I have partitioned my space between 0 and 1 into 5 equal sized pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I put 5/5, that would be the same as 1 whole. Now to partition it into 5 pieces, I've had to use 4 little dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle there. So 1/5 would go here. 1/5. 2/5 would go next to it. 3/5 would be here. 3/5. Then we'd have 4/5 or 5/5, which is the same as 1 whole. On the next one, I haven't broken it up yet, but we'll do that in a moment. We want to do 1 1/2. So we have 1 whole. So we've gone over to 1 whole, and then we need to go 1/2 further. So we're going to break this piece into 2 equal sized pieces. I'll just put a little dash in there. And 1 1/2 will actually go exactly right there in the middle. 1 1/2. 2 1/2 will go 1, 2 plus another half, halfway between 2 and 3. 1 1/3 means we have to go 1 whole plus 1 part of that section if we break it into 3 separate parts. So if I put a little dash here and a little dash here, that breaks it into 3 little sections, and I want to go 1 little section across. So 1 1/3. For 2 2/3, I'm going to 2, and then I need to break it again into 1, 2 little sections, 3 little sections, sorry, 2 dashes to make 1, 2, 3 sections. And we need 2 out of 3 pieces, 1, 2, so it's going to be the second one. And see, it's closer to 3 than it is to 2, 2 2/3. Now with this last one, we're going to have a look at one negative number. We've got a positive number, 1 1/2. So we can do 1 1/2. We'll go across to 1, and then 1/2 across. But our negative one is going to be going back to the left of 0. The -1 goes back a jump, an extra half from there. We're going to go halfway across. That's -1 1/2. And that's how we place numbers on a number line, or fractions on the number line.